So when we created the blog entry, and let's go back to the content creation form here, the way that we added tags seemed a little bit clunky. Normally I would expect that we would be able to add our tags on a single line separated with commas or spaces. Well, we can shift this to that kind of mechanism by altering the form display. So let's go to Structure, Content Types, Blog Entry, and then Manage Form Display. I'll scroll down to our tags field and I'll drop down this option here and it says Autocomplete Tag Style. So that's what we want. Let's click Save. Let's take a look at this by editing our blog entry that we created. So I'll go to Content and I'll go to Edit next to the 2029 season posted. And this looks a little bit better. We have each term separated with a comma, and then we can add a new one by adding a comma and then adding our tag. We have one more tag to add. It's space jumping. So let's add that here. I'll click Save and Keep Published. And let's take a look at how this renders. All right, so we were able to add our new term in an interface that makes a little bit more sense for tagging.